Double-click the left button twice to enter the scope replacement mode, allowing the real scope to move to the opening, making it easier for you to replace it.
Switching between Bentonite catalytic mode and Tofu catalytic mode is very simple. Just follow the operation procedure for changing scoop modes, and the system will automatically switch between the Bentonite catalytic scoop and the Tofu catalytic scoop.
The video's left side displays icons corresponding to mineral catalytic and tofu catalytic. If you want to know the current mode, please check the bottom right corner of the touch panel screen.